South Africans, bad news. Your beer might be getting a lot more expensive. The government is thinking about increasing tax on beer and alcohol, and not just a small increase. They're talking about up to 20% more. So why? They say alcohol is too cheap in South Africa. In some places, beer is cheaper than a loaf of bread. Health groups argue that cheap alcohol leads to more binge drinking, more hospital cases, and more problems, especially among young people. And according to research, when alcohol gets more expensive, people actually drink less. But here's the other side. The beer industry says higher taxes could hurt small businesses, taverns, and even jobs. The beer industry supports over 200,000 jobs in South Africa. They also warn that if legal alcohol gets too expensive, more people might turn to illegal alcohol, which is dangerous and unregulated. The health group says that is not the real problem. They say the real issue is poor law enforcement and corruption. So now the big question is, should beer be more expensive to protect people's health, or will this just make life harder for small businesses and workers? What do you think? Is it a fair move or a bad idea? Let me know in the comments.